If we take the promise given to Abraham literally, then Israel is promised a much bigger land than she possesses now. From the river Nile to the Euphrates River, we can draw a land of 2,387,669 square kilometers. Now, I know that some people would say that this promise was realized in the times of Solomon. The problem with that is that Solomon never went as far as the Nile River in his land conquests. Besides, his kingdom did not last too long and was quickly divided and shrinked. The second argument is that the promise given to Abraham does not really mean the river Nile, but the Wadi Nile, meaning some smaller creek of the Nile River, and Solomon's kingdom did in fact touch the Euphrates River to the north. The problem with this interpretation is that after the rivers are mentioned, God provides specific territories occupied by different people, and so we have the land of Kenites, Kenizzites, Kedomites, Hittites, Perizzites, Rephathites, Amorites, Canaanites, Gerishites, and Jebusites. Those tribes lived on a territory that went far beyond the land that Solomon possessed. But even if we take the minimalist view that the promised land is the land that Solomon possessed at the height of his reign, then even if we take that view, Israel is still far from possessing such a great land. Others say, well, since Solomon fulfilled the promise, it does not apply today. Besides, today we are all the spiritual offspring of Abraham, so it doesn't matter anyway. There are so many problems with this statement. First of all, God says the land promise is eternal. Eternal means forever, and not just a few years in history during Solomon's reign. So just because Israel possessed the land at some point in history, it does not nullify the eternal promise given to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.